Welcome back to Reality of Life and Relaxation, your channel for exploring the reality of life and finding relaxation, and also educational and tutorial videos. Today, we will explore one of the important tasks of time management. Whether you're a busy professional, a virtual assistant, or simply someone looking to better organize your time, this tutorial is for you. This is a step-by-step guide on how to schedule appointments in Google Calendar. Let's get started. Before we begin scheduling appointments, let's familiarize ourselves with Google Calendar. It's a powerful tool that allows you to keep track of your schedule, set reminders, and share events with others. To access Google Calendar, simply log into your Google account and navigate to the Calendar tab. You can click here to the Google Apps and select Calendar. Here you will find a clean interface where you can view your schedule by day, by week, by month, or by year. Personally, when I'm creating an event or meeting schedule, I always view my calendar by week as I can already see the year, the month, the day, and the time. As you can see here, the month, the days, and also the time. Now, let's dive into the process of scheduling appointments. First, simply click the plus button in the bottom left corner to create a new event. Next, enter the details of your appointment, including the event title, the date, the time, and location to easily identify it on your calendar. So let's say your meeting is all about your meeting with your boss. And this is regarding Project A. That is your title. And then you want to set that up for 1 hour meeting with your boss on July 8, 2024 at 9 o'clock in the morning. So select your schedule here. So July 8 and then 9 a.m. And of course 10 a.m. to make sure that this is only scheduled for an hour event. You can also set any additional options such as reminder or notification to ensure you don't miss your appointment or your scheduled meeting. For example, you want to receive a notification 30 minutes prior to your meeting so you will not miss it. And you can also message your boss for a reminder. For example, here, click that and then select 30 minutes before. You can also choose the 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or 5 minutes. So I always do the 30 minutes before so I can send reminders to whoever I am going to meet. Now, if you're scheduling a recurring appointment such as a weekly meeting, you can also set it to repeat automatically and specify if you want it to be weekly or monthly. Click it here, then choose if it's daily meeting with your boss regarding Project A. You can also set weekly every Monday and then monthly on the second Monday, or you can also do annually or every weekday. And if this is only for one-time meeting, then just choose does not repeat. Now, to invite participants to your scheduled meeting, click Add Guest. Enter the email address of the participant you wish to invite, so they will receive an invitation to the event via email. So for example, here I want to invite Andrea. For example, Andrea is my boss. So the email of Andrea is andrealimval@gmail.com. So there you go. So Andrea is now invited to this event. Now, to add location, if the meeting will be done in person, you can add location. For example, let's say one of the restaurants in the seaside as a Mall of Asia, or you have a restaurant or conference that booked for that meeting, then you can add location here. So as a Mall of Asia, Seaside Boulevard. Now, if this meeting will be done virtually, simply click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, and this will automatically populate a link for your virtual meeting. There you go. Here is the link of your Google meeting. So here is the link, which you can also copy and send it via a messenger or other platforms that you can message your boss. Once you've entered all the details and added your guest, click Save to add the appointment to your calendar. The invited participants will receive an email notification with the event details. Now, if you forgot to add some details, you can edit the scheduled meeting anytime. Just click your scheduled meeting and then click the pencil icon here. For example, you want to add details and attachment as referenced. So you can take a note here. For example, hello Andrea. This meeting is all about Project A. Attached is the minutes of the meeting on June 8, 2024. Thank you. Then you can attach a file here. Upload from your computer. Then click the file and open. So as you can see here, you have your notes and the attachment for that meeting. And then if you want to add guests, for example, your colleague to attend the meeting as well, then just click Add Guest. For example, here I want to add Apple. Apple is now added to this meeting and just click Save. Now it will ask you, would you like to send emails to new and existing Google Calendar guests? So for example, the existing participant, for them to know that you added another participant or details and attachment. So send it. And just for your reference, this is how it looks like for the participants that you added. As you can see here, Andrew received an email notification with the event details that we sent. So everything is here. As you can see, meeting with boss regarding project A on July 8th, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And since this is via Google Meet, they can just join with Google Meet on the day of the meeting. Going back to your calendar, here are a few tips to help you master appointment scheduling in Google Calendar. You can use different colors for different types of appointments to easily distinguish them at a glance. So if you want it to be in gray or other colors, then you can do it. You can also schedule blocks of time for focused work to avoid overloading your calendar with back-to-back appointments. And you can also integrate Google Calendar with other tools such as email clients and task management apps for seamless workflow management, just like what we did when we integrate the Google Meeting Conference link. And there you have it. This is a step-by-step guide to scheduling appointments in Google Calendar. Whether you're managing your own schedule or assisting others as a virtual assistant, mastering this tool can significantly improve your time management skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember to embrace the reality of life while finding moments of productivity and relaxation. See you in the next video.